This is a video on problem 15.3 from your text, and this is about the results of a stock repurchase. And the situation is from the problem. Company has $2 million in net income that they could distribute right now as dividends. They also have 1 million shares outstanding. The current price of those shares are $30 each, and their plan is that they will repurchase 20% of those at that price of $32. Once they have finished the repurchase, the problem says it would have no impact on the net income or the company's price-earnings ratio. And what would then happen to the stock price following the stock repurchase? So let's look right now at what the price-earnings ratio is currently. So we have the current price-earnings. So the current price we already know is $32. So we'll put the $32 on the top. On the bottom is the earnings per share. And since we have net income of $2 million and we have 1 million shares outstanding, the current earnings per share is $2, and take that into the 32. And you should get a 16. And you end up 32 million divided by 2 million divided by 1 million. You should end up with a solution of 16. Okay, so the current price-earnings ratio is 16. Okay, so now if we repurchase 20% of the shares, so repurchase shares equals 20% times 1 million shares, so it's going to be 200,000 shares. So shares left outstanding will be the 1 million shares that you had originally minus the 200,000 that have been repurchased, so you now have 800,000 shares outstanding. So if the net income is going to stay the same at $2 million, then we can recalculate again an earnings per share. And that's going to now equal 2 million divided by 800,000. So the earnings per share is going to go from $2 per share up to $2.50 per share. So the price of the stock should raise based on the price-earnings ratio. Again, the price, now the unknown, divided by the earnings of $2.50 is going to equal the 16, which was the PE ratio. So if we take the 16 equals 16 times the $2.50 per share, we'll have the new price per share, which will go up to $40 per share. So we see an $8 increase in the price based on this particular problem.